Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Wednesday, December 3rd, and if you've been watching the markets, they were up in the pre-market, and then with the jobs numbers, Microsoft made an announcement that it was lowering its AI sales quotas because companies were finding it hard to justify additional AI spend without being able to actually see tangible results or return on investment from their AI spend. So that sent some stocks down. Microsoft is down, Nvidia is down. Some others are down as well. You can see that then we had minutes ago, around 10 a.m., we had the ISM services numbers. They came in a little weaker than expected, but it lifted the markets. And you can see here at the top, the NASDAQ was down at the open. It's then popped back up. It's dropped again, but it's on a bit of a rebound. What I'm looking for today is if the NASDAQ continues to move upwards and become less negative, so it's, call it minus 48, 47 right now. If that continues to move back to where it opened at even and potentially turn green, I'm looking for similar movements in other stocks. So I'm looking at the charts here and looking to see which ones aren't following that pattern and are staying low. Now, Microsoft's staying low and not following that pattern because of the sales announcement. So I'm staying away from that one right now. But you can see a lot of the others are on the upswing. And if we can find one that's not, IBM's an example, it could catch up with the overall index trend and give you a bit of 1 or 2% return today. So I'd keep an eye on IBM. Workday's another one, but it had weaker results, so I'm a little leery of that. Looks like Lam Research could break above the, and break into the green, break above its open level. AVGO is another one I've been watching. It's down and looks like it's got some potential, and it hasn't released earnings. So both it and Micron have not released earnings yet this quarter. So that could give them a potential boost when they do. That'll be later in December. And then just looking at others, you can see actually Meta popped and is now pulling back. So that's one to keep an eye on. BABA hasn't moved, but Chinese, so staying away from that. Nvidia is coming back. Google's up. And then TSM. TSM is coming back as well. I think TSM could get up to the 292 to 294 range today if the index continues to move upwards. Then you move into financials, and you can see that HOOG, the 2 times Robinhood, is up, but it's been down for the last couple of days. And a lot of the financials are on the upswing here for the morning session. So if you're looking at a financial company to look at, you might want to look at, say, TD, because it's